How can we merge multiple text strings in Microsoft Excel? So whenever I want to merge multiple data from different cells into one single cell, the go-to formula, my personal favorite, is the AND formula. I use the AND formula to combine data from different cells, be it one cell, 10 cells, or even 100 cells together in one single cell. Using this formula, I can combine data, and if I have to add some additional data between all this data, I am able to do that as well. This is the formula that we are going to learn in this lesson. So let's jump back to Microsoft Excel with an example, understand how the AND formula works. Here I am in Microsoft Excel, and the data that we are dealing with is of a few people. So we have the names of these people, we have their surnames, and what we want to do is combine it together as a full name, where we have the name and then we have the surname in one single cell, instead of having it in two different cells. This is the perfect example, the perfect reason to use the AND formula. The AND formula will allow you to combine the name and the surname into the full name. To use it, the first thing that you need to do is type equal to. Then you will have to simply select the first cell that you want in your answer. Then you have to add the AND symbol. Adding the AND symbol is very easy. You need to simply press Shift key along with the number 7 on your keyboard to add the AND symbol. Once you do that, select the second cell that you want to combine with the first cell. So all I have done is simply written the formula A2 and B2. What Excel will do is it will combine whatever the value is in A2 along with B2. So now if I hit enter, as you can see, I have all of it combined into one single value, Rahul Shah. Rahul and Shah have come together to become Rahul Shah. And this is how you can write your full name. You can send it downwards and have the full name applied to all the other names as well. However, here as you can see, the full name is combined, it's stuck together. Normally, when we are writing our full names, we do have the name and surname separate. We have a space in between. For example, if I have to write the name Jatan Shah, I will write Jatan, add a space in between, and then write Shah. I will not combine Jatan Shah as if it's just one word, right? So, how do I add a space before combining both of them in one cell? Well, it's quite simple. All you have to do is edit the formula. So double click on the cell to edit the formula. And instead of typing B2, before that, add a space between A2 and B2. To do that, because space is just some text, we will have to surround it with double quotations and then type it in the formula. So I will write is equal to A2 and a space. Do not simply write space without the double quotations, otherwise you will get an error in Microsoft Excel. So add double quotations before and after the space, then again type and then select the surname which is B2. So now we have told Microsoft Excel to combine A2 with space and with B2. When you do that and you hit enter, you get Rahul space Shah. You have combined three different things together. Double click on the bottom right corner and apply the same to all the other names as well. And now you have the name and surname combined together. You do not have any limitations on the number of ands you can write in a formula. For example, again I can write and put double quotations 1, 2, 3, double quotations and hit enter. And now I will have Rahul space Shah 1, 2, 3. I can again, before this, add a space and have a gap in between as well. So you can add multiple ands and keep on adding more things, keep on more, I would say, combining more things in your final answer. One thing to make a note of when you are using the AND formula is that whenever you are referring to a cell, you do not require double quotations. However, whenever you are manually entering a value like a space or like 1, 2, 3 in this example, you need to have double quotations surrounding it. So for example, in this particular formula, A2 does not require double quotations before or after it. However, wherever there is a text, which is a space or 123 also, you will require a double quotation. Go ahead, try this formula to combine data in your Excel software and let me know how it goes. That's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.